Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain my project, which is a retail medical billing system using Python, PostgreSQL, and command line interface. Using a command line interface. It's a beginner-friendly medical store billing project. It does not use a GUI like Tinker, but in a future scope, we can implement the Tinker. All the operations are performed directly in a terminal using a simple menu operation. The main purpose of this project is manage the medicines, customer billing and inventory, user and report for the medical store. First to explain the what kind of technology I use in this project. I use a Python 3 database. I use PostgreSQL. For connecting a Python with Postgres, we want a mediator. Let's call a PSY psychopg2 library, and we interact with the user. I have used a command line interface. Okay. The feature of the project is the project has a login system. Logging are two type of login. One is admin, another is a pharmacist, or you can say the user, normal users. The admin has access all the features. The pharmacist has access to the customer management, billing and inventory. The admin can add view medicine, add a view customer, create bills, manage inventory, manage reports, and create the pharmacist users also. Okay. Medicine management, we can add the medicine details like medicine name, batch name, manufacturer, category, purchase price, selling price, stock and expiry date. In the customer management, we can add the customer details like name, phone numbers, email and address. Okay, the bill model is one just main part of the project. Here the user can select the customer, add the medicine to the bill, enter the qualitative GST percentage of and discount. After that, the system calculate the subtotal GST discount and finally total automatically. Okay. After creating a bill, stock of the medicine is automatically updated in the database. Okay. The bill is also saved as a PDF format inside the bill folder. The inventory module helps to check the low stock medicine, expiry medicine. It also allows the stock in operation where we can add more quantity for the existing medicine. Okay. The report module allow us to view the bill and also generate a monthly report. In my monthly report, we can see the total number of bill and total revenue of the selected model. Now I explain the project file. Okay. I explain first the project file. I explain the project file. The main file of the project is the main.py. Okay, the main.py. Main.py is the file project. This file control the main application flow. It show the login menu and the open the admin and the pharmacist menu based on the login of the user role. The database.py file handle all the database related operation. Okay. It create a database if does not exist, create all the required tables, insert the default user, perform the operation like adding medicine, adding customer, create bill, uploading the stock and fetching report. The okay, so this is my database file. Okay, and another is a configure file, configure.py. Okay, the configure file contain the application title, project SQL, okay, SQL, and connecting systems such a database name, username, password, host, and port. Okay, another is the utilities, utils.py. Okay, this this module contains the validation functions. For example, it validates the username, password, medicine name, phone number, email, amount, integer values, and details. The CLI.helper functions helper function contain a common helper function like a printing headers, taking input, printing the database row in a tabular format. Okay. For containing the logging code, the auth containing the logging code. Okay. Then the user contain a pharmacist. Why the user? Okay. User folder is called pharmacist user creation code. The medicine folder, why the medicine? The medicine folder contain the medicine management code. Customer folder contain the customer management create a customer folder for manage the customer, like add customer, view the customer, etc. And the billing folder is create folder is containing the bill creation and bill saving. Okay, the billing, here we create the bills and create a bill, and this bill, after the creating the bills, these bills are successfully saved in the bills folder. Okay, we already looked some bills here. One is txt format, one is pdf format. Okay, the inventory folder contains the inventory folder. The inventory folder contains the low stock, expire medicine, and stock in code. Actually, help of this inventory, we can understand the which product which product stock is low, or already expired medicines, and the sufficient stock medicines. The report folder containing the bill report and monthly report. Okay, so let's start our program. Login. Okay, enter your choice first. Username, suppose admin. Password by free. Admin menu. Okay, so suppose in a medicine management, enter. So we view some medicine. I already insert one medicine. This is the name of the medicine. If we want to add another medicine, so we can add it. So we go back, press enter, then add another medicine. So the medicine name, suppose Nasovion, NASIVION, Nasovion. Batch number, suppose 43567 C8 4601. Okay, version number, manufacturer, we add a manufacturer name also. Bot. Category a nasal spray, NASAL nasal spray, SPRA1 spray. Purchase price is Suppose purchase price 119.91, selling price 220.10, stock suppose 5 stocks, 30, expiry date 2027, date then month 11 of month 01. Okay, medicine added successfully, place enter for continue, and we can view the medicine also. We already saw one, press 1. We have two medicines already added. So we press enter. 3 for go back. Okay, suppose admin want to add a pharmacist. In that case, so you press the 6, view the users, how many pharmacists are available. By default we create one pharmacist, a pharmacist. So by system by default create, name is pharmacist. So if you create a pharmacist, then press enter the pharmacist name, suppose Nil. Okay, username must be start with a letter, use 4 to 5 character. Okay, this call an username. Press 2. With the letter and use 4 to 5 letter number or underscore. Neil12, then password. Suppose password is ABC 1 2 3 4 5. This is 1 2 3 4 5. It's created successfully. Now you back, press 3 for back. Then suppose you want to create a bill, then press 3. The customer name is Suvam, I already added. Press 1. Okay, then check. Suppose customer want to buy a Sadzyme, then press 1. Quantity of 1. Add a more medicine. If you want to add more medicine, press yes. Then customer want Nesbane. Okay, quantity is 1. Add it. No. GST 4%, discount 6. Okay, so already cleared the bill successfully. So if I watch it, this is my bill. Okay, if I want to use the inventory, check the inventory, how many medicines are low stocks and what about the expiry date of the medicines and etc, stock in medicines. Then we take the option 4, Okay. Then one is low stock medicine. If you want to check the low stock medicine, press 1. Okay, set time is a low stock. Oh, the zero medicine, stock time is totally low. Then press enter. Expire medicine, no, no in expiry. Stock in medicine, stock in medicines, Nesbian is a stock in medicine. Okay. 4 is for back. Press enter for back. Okay. Then another is the report. Click the file for report. View the bills. How many bills are generated? It's for bill ID, another customer name, then the cashier, bill date, and the total. It's already saved in a report.bill PDF path. Okay. Then if you want to add a bill via Pharmacist, then if you want back, okay, then how to back? Press 3. 7 for logout. Okay, this is logout. Login. Enter the ID in a nil 123. What about the password? No, this is an invalid password. And in a nil 1 2. Oh, sorry. Press 1 for login. In a nil 1 2. Password A B C 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. If you want to billing something, then press 2. If you want to medicine 1, quantity 1. So quantity is greater than available stock. So we can add medicine. Here we check the unavailable medicine is add in the cart or not. So we not add in the cart. So press enter. Then add, press 2, Nesovian already in the stock, quantity 1, no, GST suppose 6, discount 8. Okay, so carried at total 225 and already we generated a bill. So we saw that this is the bill. Okay, and this is all about my project. Thank you for watching.